Hi everyone, it's Jaisa here from Proactive Pelvic Health. I'm the neuro rehab occupational therapist who shares skills based on mindfulness and self-compassion. Now, before I share on why there is no such thing as compassion burnout, I want to explain the difference between sympathy, empathy, and compassion. So let's begin with sympathy. Sympathy is your ability to understand why another person feels the way they do. Sympathy says, I hear you. Whereas empathy is when you are able to sympathize and when you can feel in your body how another is feeling, or at least really imagine it. So empathy says, I hear you and I feel you. Now, compassion is sympathy and empathy plus your capacity to have this desire to have that person's suffering and struggle be alleviated. So compassion says, I hear you, I feel you, and I hold you. Compassion involves your capacity to hold space for another person and their emotions. But here's the thing. There is no such thing as compassion if it doesn't include yourself. So you need to be able to have the skills to hold space for yourself and your emotions when you're struggling. And how do you do that? With affectionate words for yourself, with soothing touch, with compassionate breathing, and just the ability to pay attention in a way that comforts, soothes, encourages, and motivates yourself. Now, this kind way of holding yourself tells your brain and your body that you're held and you're safe. That then downregulates your nervous system, bringing some ease to your physical and emotional discomfort. So as you can see, when your compassion for others also includes yourself, then there is no such thing as compassion burnout, because you are taking care of yourself first. And from that place of filling your cup, you're then better able to hold space for others.